Hi everyone, I'm here with Nilu. She's going to be showing us the integrated Heston cookware with the app.
This has Bluetooth technology that goes to the pan, which goes to, for example, your iPad, iPhone, and for us, we're using a big monitor.
Got it. So this would be my phone.
Yes, this
so
would be your
I'm
phone.
cooking at home. I've got this pulled up.
So we're going to make some crepes.
All right.
Okay.
Making
so
crepes.
I'm going to do another batch, and this is going to tell me. So I'm going to place the pan on the burner, right? And this is the Q-enabled burner. It has right here.
Okay.
So as you can see, it shows you down at the bottom the next step.
The next
so it
step.
tells you,
Spray
right?
the pan. All right. Next step.
Crepe
Here we
batter.
go. Crepe batter. Okay, so it dropped from 375 down to 284. You can see that temperature is still dropping, right? Because you have that deflection of heat. Now it's starting to build back up. So it looks like the induction cooker is automatically increasing the temperature for us. We don't have to sit there and play with that. All right, we're back up to 405. We got 23 seconds. Oh man, I can't wait. Well, one smart burner. You guys know that that's what people need.
Yes.
Right.
So they don't all need to be smart.
No. No, sometimes you have smart
And
cooks.
you just do one app, one recipe at a time, you know.
Got
it's
it.
just easier to follow.
Yeah, I get that.
Yeah.
Okay, this is pretty clever. Like in my experience, I kind of thought to myself, this was a little gimmicky. Like this is definitely for somebody who does not know how to cook. However, I'm very impressed with the quality of the food.
Yes.
Obviously.
So these are all, yes,
chef
chef recipes.
This is chef recipes. This is something that I would think you would see in a restaurant.
Put it in here.
Wow.
Gotta put some strawberries though,
Is that
right?
powdered sugar?
Yes.
Can't go wrong. What are you talking about? Okay.
Here you go.
Here we go. Chef, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I can't wait to eat this. This is Heston Q. Really, really exciting product. I was on the fence, but now having seen it, you make beautiful food. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Guys, this is Chef Mark at the Heston booth. Thanks for tuning in.